I wanted to make a quick video because this fan is remarkably quiet. Yeah, it's on hot, it's on low, medium, high. And honestly, the wind flow is spectacular. So I'm going to compare that with my way more expensive fan from Home Depot. You can actually hear it a bit. And then I'll compare that again with these old Rinky fans. And this is why you should upgrade. These are on low. Yeah.
So that you melt one ice cube into a glass of water. Doesn't make it ice water.
That's on high. The other day, it's only the third time I've used it. The other day it was quiet. Got rid of the box. This is ridiculous. Okay, this is medium. Give it a second to calm down. Nobody can sit here and enjoy themselves. Ridiculous. This is low. No. I loved this fan. I mean, I would only keep it on low if it made no noise. Ridiculous. Very disappointed. Very disappointed.
Jose just installed our new fan, and it comes with a little remote with a timer and a light switch. Off, on, off, on, off.